Okay everybody, so it's been a long time since I've done a video and I apologize. Being an adult is crazy, but I had this idea for a video and I thought you guys might thought it'd be kind of hilarious. So as a lot of people in my life know, and I guess as you guys know, I actually have a disability called dyscalculia.
Dyscalculia.
Dyscalculia. Whatever. Basically, it's a learning disability that affects the parietal lobe of the brain. And it's in the family of dyslexia, in which people have troubles writing and reading. They see things backwards, as it would be. For me, dyscalculia is a math disability, specifically with problem solving and arithmetic. I can link a few sources that go more deep into it, but basically it means my math skills are absolutely fucked. And with that said, my basic math, the most easiest things, are absolutely fucked. And I've struggled with this disability my entire life. And I only got diagnosed, I think it was freshman year of college, because some friends of mine were like, hey, I know somebody who has this. Maybe you should check it out. And I was like, okay. And I've heard of math disabilities before, but I never really checked it out because in school we had psychologists that come in and do evaluations and stuff like that. And I was like, well, they should have caught this. I mean, they didn't. I suffered with this through my entire life. How I managed to pass any of my math classes was an absolute miracle. And I mean an act of Jesus. When I got tested for this at a psychology research center, the psychologist who gave me the diagnosis and gave it to me straight with all of this, I don't know what that sound is, I think it's a plane. He said that it was the worst case of dyscalculia he has ever seen in his life. And it was a miracle that I passed. I should have failed all of my math classes. So, I don't know how I got through. I got through with C's, probably. I did my best. I know for my last couple of years of education, one of those years was spent in a very, very, very small math class where I had almost one-on-one teaching. I don't know why, but just for that, I was the only kid in that class because of how tiny the school was and how tiny that was. I was the only other person. So, I was lucky. I had a lot of support and a lot of help at some points. It was better once I left my public school. I went to private school. So anyway, this has been a struggle for my entire life, but today it's gonna be exploited for laughs. So the video I'm doing today is I'm gonna see how many math problems I can do, and you can laugh at me for it. So I thought this would be a little entertaining bit for you guys. So as promised, let's start with math. So I went on this website, mathonlymath.com. I'll add a link in the information box. And it's math. Looks like there's all kinds of other little math quizzes here. So I got this, and I wanted to make sure I got this right. We got a few math quizzes here, and we're gonna see what's happening. And I can already feel myself cringing. So let's see what this says. Math quiz helps us to increase our knowledge. It doesn't sound right. It should be math quizzes help us to increase our knowledge. I don't know why that sounds weird. Online math quizzes will take 5 minutes of your time to complete a set of questions on Math Test Quiz, which will help you to know how much you know about math quizzes and how much time you need to complete a set of math questions. That sounded wrong. Is that just me, or did that sound wrong? If you want, you can also take printable math quizzes from your home printers and share the questions with your friends. Because nothing's better than taking math questions, printing them out, going over to your friend's house and saying, hey guys, let's do some math. Forget those video games, that's for squares. Let's do math. If my friends did that, I would kill them. I haven't done math since college, and even then it was I don't want to do this. Instead, let's complete 10 easy multiple choice questions on math quizzes. Just math stuff, not on quizzes of math, but whatever. So I'm also going to try and do this without a calculator. Just for added torture, for your entertainment. Oh, fuck, I don't want to do this. Alright, so question 1. 19 plus something equals 42. You know what, we're gonna be here a while. If I have to do that, fuck that. I'm using my calculator. I'm sorry. This is how bad it is. Alright, so I remember when I had to do this when I was a kid, and it was always on this thing called the NJ Ask, which is like our giant, I live in New Jersey, so it was our big state test thing, and they had questions like this, and I was just like, please no. Hey, yay! Okay, so it's 23. Well done. Yes, okay. There's the symbol of pi. Oh. That's infinity. I think that's a currency. I don't know what that is. It looks like a horseshoe. I think it's a Greek letter for something. I think that one's pi, even though it looks like 2 T's and not the little squiggly. Let's do that. Okay, good. Question 3. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. 36, 12, 29, 21, 7. What? Shit. So, could someone tell me why I thought this would be a good idea for the video? Because I'm stressing. Okay, so I think I'm overthinking this. Ascending, so it's going up. So we'll start from 7 to the highest. So 7, 12, 21, 29, 36. Yay, it's correct. Okay. What is the greatest 2-digit number? That's easy. It's this one. Okay. Maybe this isn't so bad. How much is 90 minus 19? I'm using my calculator because if I do this on my own, we will be here forever. 71. 20 is divisible by... Is it bad that I forgot what divisible means? Like divided? Like how many times you can split it up? You know, I can hear my 4th grade or 3rd grade teacher being like, Lisa, what the fuck? In the back of my head. Ugh. I'm gonna go with 7, because 7 sounds good. Is incorrect. Okay, how about 3? That is incorrect. Well, it's gotta be 1. Yay, it's 1. Okay. If x equals... What the fuck? Okay, now we can do this. Okay, so x is just the value. The number that's there that I gotta find. And, this is algebra. This is algebra things. This is basic algebra things. Okay, so to 2 times 3, I think is 6. So plus, okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 11 is, I'm using my fingers, because I don't think I need a calculator for that one. 11. So it should be, so the answer should be 17. Yay! Okay, this is not as bad as I thought it would be. Okay. What is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. How much is 190 minus 87 plus 16? I'm sorry, what's the question? How much is 190 minus 87 plus 16? Well, the calculator, it is. Because I'm not doing this in my head. If someone wants me to do this in my head, you're gonna have to start paying me or something. Oh. Okay, so the answer... Oh, wait, no, it is. It is what I got. Okay. Yay. What is 1,000 times 1 equal to? So... I'm good at times tables that involve 1, 2, and 5, and 11, and 10. And 0. Everything else is a mystery to me. 1, because I remembered that everything that you times it is itself. So, I don't have to think with that one. So, 1,000 times 1 is just 1,000. So, it's equal to 1,000, right? That's the answer. Yeah. Alright. There's 18 of these. Maybe I'll do one more and then I'll hit one of the ones over here. Math quiz and computer knowledge. In set 2, let's complete 10 easy multiple choice questions on math quiz. Question 1. In 24,673, the place value of 6 is 600? I think that's what's asking. Alright. I wish you could see my facial expressions, because this is a big hard. The face value for 1,000. Okay. I don't know what face value means. It's 4? What? Okay, I don't know what that means, but it reminds me of something I might have colored in the 5th grade. The least number of 2 digits. Okay, no, I gotta, don't be stupid. It's this. And it's not. Alright. I don't know what that means. I don't know what this means. 90? Okay. Is this? I guess it's none of these. Okay, I don't know what that means, but alright. That's fine. It looks like my sister's home. Largest number of 6 digits is... Okay, this is easy. It's this. Okay, I'm overthinking some of these. Smallest number is 7 digits. I feel like this is gonna be a trick. Let's go with this one. Oh, good. The difference between the smallest number of 4 digits and the largest number of 3 digits. What? The difference between the smallest number of 4 digits and the largest number. I feel like I have to do a math here. I'm gonna do this. Oh. Alright, I'll be honest, I totally guessed on that one. I have no idea what my thought process was. This is bad. This isn't helping me at all. Why am I making this a video? I wanna go home. But I am home. Okay, the sum of the least number of 3 digits and largest number of 2 digits is... Fuck. The sum of the least number of 3 digits and largest number of 2 digits. I feel like that cartoon from Leo and Satan from Uncartoons, where Satan's like, what the fuck is this? Cause what? I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, the sum of the least number of 3 digits and largest number of 2 digits. I don't know. I don't know what it's asking. Do I have to do math? Alright, let's do that. Okay, it's incorrect. How about that one? I just want you to know, with each click that is wrong, I can hear teachers of my past yelling at me. Alright, question 8. If a number has an even number or 0 at its unit place, the number is always divisible by what? If a number has an even number or 0 at its unit place, I'm gonna say 2. 2 sounds right. I don't know why it's right, but it sounded right. Okay, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by... a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible... I don't know what that means. Oh my god. You know what? Ask me about science, history, anything else. Taxonomy, how to fix a toilet or some shit. I'll answer that. I can tell you with that. Ask me how to do my taxes, or maybe even open a bank account. Yeah, that's fine. Or how to manage money. I could actually manage that correctly. This... oh no. Oh god. Okay, 3? Is it 3? Please say 3. I think that's right. I don't know why it's right, but it's right. Okay. This is hurting me. This reminds me of like a fact that I read once where it's like, when you can't do math, that it actually lights up a part of your brain where you feel pain. And it's the same part of the brain that lights up that if you were to get physically hurt, your brain also registers that as pain as well, the equivalent of doing bad math. So just so you guys know, I'm putting myself in physical harm. I'm hurting myself. I don't know why this was a good idea. Okay, a number is divisible by 5 if the unit digit is... I'm gonna say 0, 5, because that sounds good. That's good. Okay, we're done with this one. Let's do something different. Let's do first grade math. Let's see if I can do that. Oh, that psychologist said that my math on a good day wasn't any better than a first grader's. So, let's see if today's a good day. First grade math activities are a great opportunity for the kids to have fun at the same time as getting to knowledge with basic numbers and counting skills. Kids can enjoy practicing a little bit of math skills in a colorful, fun environment. This whole website's bland. I don't know what colorful environment you're talking about. Subject matter has been presented in greater form. Let's see. Oh, these are worksheets. Math place value addition. Are these more worksheets? Let's find out. Oh, these are more worksheets. You know, these are actually really neat. If you were like a teacher. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more math thing, and then I'm gonna look at kittens. Alright. Can't believe there's 18 of these fucking things. Alright, one more. I can do it. Oh yeah. Alright. Find the sum of 111, 222, and 333. It is... suck dick, dumb shit. Okay. It's the devil's number. Yay. Subtract 457. You know I'm not doing that in my head. $3.75. Let's hear it for $3.75. I'm sorry, I can't do this in my head. It's bad. This is bad. This is a bad video. I shouldn't be doing this. If anything, I guess it just serves to show how bad my disability is. I could probably figure these out on paper, but it would take a long time, and even then, for whatever reason, the last time I tried to do something, the math didn't come out right. And I'm not even sure how. I think I forgot all my basic math skills on how to add and subtract. Alright, let's do this. Question 3, 50 times 5 is equal to... I think it's this one. No, it's not. How about that one? Okay, it's actually that one, and I wasn't thinking. Oh, it's none of these. Okay, well, what is the correct answer? Okay, I lied. I'm only good with certain 5 multiple times. It's 250. Okay. I should have known that. Question, 90 divided by 10. Magic calculator. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm letting you guys down. This is hurting me. I just want you to know. That's correct. Alright. Okay, let's see. Simplify. Well, I can simplify with my calculator. 46. Good. 72 times 3. Now, most is just using my calculator, and I'm cheating at this point. Alright. So this one, I gotta do this, and then I gotta take that and do it with that, I think. I still remember things. Okay, so it's 24. So 200 minus 24. Tell me how long it'll take for you to do these questions, because I'm curious. For someone else, would this be any quicker? Let me know. Okay, so 28 divided by 4 is 7. I like how teachers for most of my life, even growing up, they said, you're gonna need a calculator. I mean, you're not gonna have a calculator for your whole life. You need to learn how to do it in your head. And here we are in the age of technology, where we always have a calculator on hand, and it is wonderful. Okay. Simplify. Oh, this is gonna... I need paper. Okay. I could do 5 plus 4 in my head, but I just got lazy for that one. So that's 9. And it's divided by 9 by 3, which is 4. This is probably not what you guys signed on to, is me doing math. Okay, so it's got 9 times 9 divided by 4. Okay, I did something wrong, because I got 20.25, so let's just click a button until it says it's right. This one. How about this one? Okay, it's 14, guys. Glad we'll never need that answer. Last one. Oh, why do we need to learn how to do this? Me, 8 years ago. Not even 8 years ago, what am I saying? That's more like 12 years ago? How long ago was I doing this kind of math? Okay, so this is a shit long time ago, let's say. It's 30. Here I am writing over important documents for a YouTube video because I can't get more paper because I'm a heathen. this is bad. This is really bad. I get 0. Okay, is that good? Are we done? I think we're done for now. Alright, so I think I'm done with this for now. You know, this was an interesting experiment. I have no idea if you guys had fun or just bored the hell out of you. But, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun, and if anything, I guess this serves to show how bad my disability is, and that if somebody says that they can't do math, it's not because they're not trying. Like, I think that's the big message to take out of that. I've tried and worked hard my entire life to be good at math, and it's just, my brain doesn't work that way. I just can't, and it's just something I'll never be good at. But I have other talents. I can do a lot of other things. And I think it's important that you realize that if someone says they can't do math, even if they're not diagnosed with a disorder, just to kind of respect that and not be like, why can't you do it? I know there's a lot of friends and stuff that I've had that have made fun of me for not doing basic math, but it's not like I choose not to be, to be bad at it. It's just something you can't help. Like, you wouldn't make fun of someone who can't run with no legs, so I don't know. I guess that's a good way to end this. Don't be a dick to people. If they say they can't do something, just be like, that's alright, I'll help you out. And be a good sport. That's my message today. Be a good sport. Drive home safe, everybody.